Today, February 5, 2025, marks a groundbreaking achievement for PiNetwork as it successfully completes the migration of 10 million user accounts to its mainnet. This milestone is a major leap forward for the blockchain project as it prepares for the highly anticipated launch of its open mainnet, expected in the first quarter of 2025. In recent weeks, PiNetwork has ramped up its migration efforts, processing around 200,000 migrations daily. This accelerated pace was part of the team's mission to ensure a seamless transition for its global community of pioneers. The achievement of this milestone ahead of schedule highlights the network's commitment to delivering on its promises and building a stable ecosystem. To ensure no pioneer is left behind in this monumental shift, PiNetwork has extended the deadline for completing Know Your Customer (KYC) verification and mainnet migration to February 28, 2025. This extension provides users with ample time to finalize their accounts and secure their Pi balances on the mainnet. The team continues to emphasize the importance of completing these steps to avoid losing any mined Pi coins. While 10 million users have successfully migrated, millions more are still in the process of completing their KYC. With over 18 million verified users globally, there remains a significant gap to bridge before the open mainnet can fully launch. The Pi core team is now focusing on closing this gap and ensuring that as many users as possible are prepared for the next phase of the project. This milestone also signals growing confidence in PiNetwork's vision of creating an inclusive and accessible blockchain ecosystem. As excitement builds within the community, all eyes are now on what comes next in this transformative journey. The completion of 10 million migrations is more than just a number. It's a testament to PiNetwork's ability to mobilize its global community and execute large-scale initiatives effectively. As it moves closer to opening its doors to external integrations and decentralized applications, this achievement solidifies PiNetwork's position as one of the most ambitious blockchain projects in recent years. The coming weeks will be critical as pioneers finalize their preparations for what promises to be an exciting new chapter in the evolution of decentralized technology. Given these developments, the PiNetwork is on track to launch its open network within the current quarter, potentially as early as March 2025. Users are encouraged to complete their KYC verification and mainnet migration promptly to ensure their participation in the forthcoming open network phase.